Assalamualaikum everyone. Hari ini saya nak share cara-cara saya install a rainwater shower dekat dalam our master bathroom. And ada a bonus tutorial macam mana nak add a second shower in your bathroom too. Dekat master bathroom ni, kami opt for a concealed mixer untuk both the bath mixer dan the shower. And dulu punya setup simple sahaja. Sebenarnya, saya tak pernah terfikir pun nak upgrade the shower. Tapi, tiba-tiba ternampak a listing untuk a single inlet rainwater shower system dekat Shopee and harga dia sangat-sangat affordable yang saya tak boleh resist dan terus add to cart. Sekali dengan shipping, saya beli di set kurang dari RM150. Boleh pilih finishing matte black atau satin stainless steel and design shower head dia pun boleh pilih if nak square ataupun bulat. For more link details to this product, boleh check it out in my caption. This single inlet shower set ni bersesuaian if korang pakai concealed mixer macam kami atau exposed wall mounted water heater dan pump. Ini first time saya install a shower set and this set tak dapat manual. Jadi boleh nampak saya struggle sikit at times, but all in all the installation ambil masa 30 minit sahaja. First thing yang saya buat was to remove the shower arm, slide down this part and it will expose the screw. Repeat untuk the top piece. Pakai a screwdriver untuk remove the screws. And now dah boleh remove the arm from the wall. Lepas tu saya remove the original shower hose dan reinstall alik kanan of our two-way valve. This two-way valve feature tak common. Originally ada a standard angle valve sahaja, tapi bila nak tukar to the rainwater shower, saya tukar the angle valve jadi a two-way supaya saya boleh add an additional shower head juga. This one is completely optional. Kami saja je nak add an additional shower so that boleh run two shower heads at the same time. If korang interested in adding another shower, boleh cari two-way valves dekat Shopee or Lazada. I like this design sebab bila kita turn on and off all the way, tak nampak like it's on or off. It's very sleek and minimal. So now it's time to install the feed pipe. Letak plumber's tape sikit and screw it on. This pipe included dengan the set. Once done, saya check if ada any leaks or not. Next, saya install the shower post holder first. Boleh remove this cap untuk access the screw holes. If korang notice tadi, the shower arm yang saya remove on the wall, pakai satu je screw. This one's pakai dua. Tapi saya tak rasa nak drill through the tile just yet. Jadi saya akan pakai satu je screw untuk secure it to the wall. And this is the hole that the contractor made dulu untuk install our shower arm. Seperti biasa, saya pakai screwdriver sahaja to fasten the screw. Tighten the screw sampai the holder is securely fastened. Ada nampak sikit some rust stain dari the original shower arm. Saya dah try scrub it off pun tak berjaya nak hilangkan. Pro of using these marble tiles, the stain tu nampak macam part of the veining. Next, saya akan prep the shower post. Here, kita insert sekali the shower holder dekat the post directly. Lepas tu, boleh insert the post to the holder yang kita dah install dekat the wall tadi. Now, dah boleh screw the holder into place juga. Remove the post from the bottom holder dan slide in the shower hand holder next. This part saya struggle sikit sebab the hole tu ketat and memang kena paksa masuk. Tapi once dah masuk, the movement is very smooth and easy. This part here is the diverter. Ada 4 parts yang korang kena install according to this turutan. Once dah insert the filter dan washer, boleh screw everything into place. Now dah boleh install that part onto the shower post. Next, saya pasang the feed pipe dekat the shower pipe. Dah sampai this point, saya change my mind pula of the direction of the hand shower punya pipe. Instead of nak pasang on the right side of the shower post, saya nak pasang alik kiri so that the crisscross of the pipes lagi kemas. Nak tukar senang je, longgarkan sikit the diverter pipe dan rotate to your desired position. Saya longgarkan dan adjust the feed pipe juga supaya dia tak berbelit. Install the hand shower head to the shower pipe. Yang dapat sekali dengan this set is 1.5 meters long. Basically, with every threaded connection, saya akan letak plumber's tape. Usually, kalau satin stainless steel finish, saya akan ketatkan dengan a wrench. Tapi bila deal with matte black finish ni, risky sikit kalau nak guna wrench. Kalau korang perasan, saya tighten mostly by hand sebab bila saya tighten pakai wrench, habis cala the finishing. Since saya tak boleh tighten dengan wrench, saya pakai plumber's tape so that tak ada any leaks at the connections. And after 4 weeks, tak ada any issues pun by using this method. Now dah boleh attach the shower hand hose onto the diverter on the left side here. Saya adjust the position of the shower post. Saya install at the highest point yang possible. This position for us is limited by the original wall holes dari our shower arm dulu. Tapi that height dah cukup tinggi for us, thankfully. Untuk securekan the post supaya dia dah tak boleh gerak up and down, fasten dengan the screws through the shower post holder. Last big piece yang saya perlu install is the rainwater shower head. Letak some plumber's tape dekat the thread dan twist the shower head into place. The finishing touch is now to pasang the shower post holder cover. And all done! Boleh turn on the water dan check if ada any leaks dan fix kalau perlu. For now, nampak messy sikit sebab all the piping tengah crisscross each other. But check back for part 2 bila saya upgrade the second hand shower head dan pipe for a more sleek look dan cara saya install a drill-free shower head holder for that hand shower. For the link to this product, saya share dekat my website, my links highlights dan Telegram channel. If korang tengah watch this on YouTube, saya akan share the links in my description. Thanks for watching everyone. Till next time.